All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy Wolfie, Wolf83, of course. Obviously, this is something different because I'm usually playing video games and you practically don't see my face. So, no, this is going to be a video of my new project. I just bought this car a month ago. Mitsubishi Lancer 2008. It's pretty good. Nice, see, nice. Yeah. It has some details that we're gonna work on it. Like of course, I got this cover right now. I just bought it. And yeah, this is gonna be the new project. And I hope you guys enjoy. It's gonna be, I don't know how long it's gonna take. We'll give a good body. Ojalá te alegres in Spanish, body work and a little bit of paint job, and not much, but yeah, then we work on some stuff in the engine. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy and see you soon. All right, ladies and gentlemen, in this box we got it shipped from eBay from Canada. Like I told you before, this is pretty, see, banged up. And yeah, I was looking for the whole, just the cover, but for a better price I got the whole mechanism with the cover. So yeah, and of course the most important thing I'm gonna show you right now, see, this one's pretty good, is that, drum roll please, this bad boy is the same color as my car. Look, practically new. Look, it has little details, but compared to the one, yes sir, look at this. Oh yeah, I'm so excited. Look, whew, compare, there's no comparison. And look at that, the same color as the car. It's good. Yeah, so we're gonna be mounting this and see how it looks from there on. Yeah, little by little we're gonna get this bad boy going. Alright, gentlemen, what we're gonna do is we'll push this back so you can get good range on the mirror and just pull up. There you go, clips out, see, clips out. Now we need, see, this is the one, see, we ain't gonna put the whole thing, we just gonna put what I need is the cover. Look, I already took out the mirror. And this one's different. This one had a, I don't know if it's a heater or something on the mirror, but we don't have that for this car. So now we just gotta take out, there's these clips up here that we gotta push with a flat screwdriver, flathead, and it'll pop out. So just give me a sec while I get that. These have these two pins here that you push and it easily comes out. See, it already came out quickly. This has, I guess they put some glue on it. Yes they did, so I gotta be careful. Yeah, it has glue.
Use the screwdriver, suave.
Yeah,
easy. So
yeah,
right there.
There you go, little by little. Wow, this one they really glued it on. It has glue all over.
Look,
there it is.
Okay.
See?
Okay. Yeah. Now
there
you gotta clean that.
Yeah, we have to clean this
glue so the other one could fall in.
Yeah, I'm gonna clean it right now.
You will clean it with that?
Yeah, look, yeah, it comes out.
It's coming out.
Yeah. See?
Okay, watch out. You don't break the.
Yeah, so I'm just sliding
the cover.
I'm just trying to slide it. Yeah, they put glue because since they hit it.
They must have hit it when it was parked.
Yeah,
or maybe he was driving and they hit.
Probably.
He hit the I don't know, something, a tree or something.
Something.
Yeah, it must have been a tree.
Okay.
It must be a tree because if it was another car, it would have smashed the whole shit.
Yeah. There you go. Okay. Now we're ready. Clean it up. There's some details there.
Let me see.
Just a little bit here.
See right there. Yeah, I see it. Okay.
A little bit of glue.
Use the skin one.
It's alright. It's gone now.
Oh.
We good now. Now we put the other cover. Just
now
give me 1 minute.
Okay. We're gonna get the other cover. He's got it over there in the box. He just
take this one out. I forgot to take this one out.
Just shipped it.
Yeah. Ponle pausa si quieres. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we had some issues that we could not take the cover out, the new one. So what we did is we dismantled the whole thing and we put the new one. So this is the old one. Here's the new one. Here you go. Look at that. Woo! Now we have a good sight. It looks pretty good. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Also, we found out that the tweeter speaker wasn't working, but it was the wiring. So yeah, looks good. We just got to clean it a little bit because we got some fingers on it. But here we go. The first actual thing physically that you see the car, a new mirror. So yeah, here we go. One step at a time, guys. One step at a time. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed and get ready to see more videos of the car. Thank you. Bye. Peace.